Okay, accounts and fields. What are the controls for every GL account will be discussed, and every field control will be discussed, and how GL is made will be discussed. But before that, we will have some controls for every GL account and account type, like this: account group and account types. So master data is the first starting point, but we have to configure some of the nodes. So we'll be starting with general ledger, master records, and master record creation. But before that, we need some configuration. And then after GL, master record is done, we'll go for document entry. We will enter a GL account document using several T codes. Okay. Now, how do we enter a GL account? How it is reconciled, how it is posted, everything will be discussed using such formats, such transactions. Okay. Now, that is document entry, and then we will go over month end entries and reports. Month end entries are periodic processing processes. So at the end of the month, we have closing. At the end of the year, we have closing. Then we have reports, balance carry forward, and so on. How we'll run, we'll see that. Okay. Same goes for accounts receivable and payable. And same in banks, will create master data and see how it is done for, how it is handled for reconciliation. Okay. Fixed assets, yes. Fixed assets, how we'll create master records for fixed assets, and how is the configuration done, that will be next. Once fixed asset is done, we will go over some more activities for reconciliation and month-end activities, and will be done with FI. Logistics comes next with material management. We'll start with material master. We'll create raw material. Okay. Create raw materials, semi-finished good and finished goods. And we'll create that. But before that, we will have to go over the master record configuration. And then we will start working on purchasing using RFQ, outline agreement, requisition, order, and then GRN, and then reconciliation. Okay. Once that is done, that is covered, inventory management will be our next process. So many things to cover. Let's start with configuration. The configuration T code is SPRO. Enter. IMG. Now, this is the configuration node for every module that we have: financial accounting, controlling, logistics, material management, HR, everything is covered in this landscape. But before you start configuration, we need a complete structure for the client's company. And that has to be established using definition. And definition of what? A proper company. And that company is represented in financial accounting. We create a company, new entries. Okay, this is our FI46. Okay. FI46, what should be the company name? Okay, let's say it's Toyonasa Glass Industry. FI46. City, Dubai. language key English, currency will be AED. Okay. FI46, it will be our company, mother company. So we'll do it FI EFI. Okay. Save new request. FI46 Toyo Nasik FIMM ABAP config Zulkarnain Sean, and who else we have in the group? Dasser, and who else we have? Let me see. Okay. And we are done. Okay, let's save it. Now this will be your node. And you have defined your company and you will be working on this node from now on. Okay. So Unasec. Next is company code. Now, what is a company code? Company code is a legal entity. A legal entity means an entity which has to create financial statements, which can create financial statements. That will be the company code. Okay, that will be FI46. So Unasec Limited. Okay. City Karachi, country PKR English. This is company code configuration. Okay. Country PKIS region. Enter. And we save it. Easy. Yeah. Next is business area. What is business area? Business niche, business vertical. Now Toyonasik is glass. In glass, we will have home tableware and home accessories in tables. Let's make one. Toyonasik glassware. Toyonasik glassware. Toyonasik tableware. Tableware. Okay, let's keep two. So this business area is basically your niche, your segment. Okay. Save. Functional area is obsolete, but it's the same as business area. Let's create a segment. Segment reporting. This is used with costing. We'll use the same. Okay, segment can be physical, geographical, and product-wise. Glassware. Nasik. Glassware. Nasik. Tableware. Enter. Save. Okay, this is done. Okay, once this is done, next we have is creating a plant. Define plant. New entries. FI46. So your Nasik plant FI46. FI46 plant. So your sick. Save. PKIS. Save. Okay. Easy. Next step is in definition. We are done with assignment. Definition. Let's go for assignment. Assign company code to company. You have company code. Let's find that. That is FI46. FI46. And here we will assign EFI46 and it will say currency differs. It's just a warning. Press enter and it will go away. Save. And save. Okay. Next, financial accounting, global setting, global parameters, and enter global parameters. These are important. FI46. Double click. Chart of accounts. We have not made chart of accounts. Companies VI46. Field status variant. Posting period variant. We'll keep that as it is. Fiscal year variant will be K4. K4. I'll explain what this is in the later lectures. Now, okay. Next is general ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparations, because we have to prepare the configuration for the master data of GL. Okay, so we'll make chart of accounts. Chart of accounts will be new entries, FI46. So your Nasik FI46 chart of accounts. English will be the language. Length of GL number will be 5. Save. Save. Group chart of accounts will be EFI 46. It does not exist. We'll create it next time. Okay, this is done. Save. Assign company code to chart of accounts. Position FI46. FI46. This is country chart of accounts. You can make country chart of accounts and assign it here. What are country chart of accounts? These are on a country level, jurisdiction based or accountancy standard based. FI46. Define account group. Okay. Position AA42. Because we have made a template, so I'll use that. Chart of accounts is supplied by the client and they give the account heads. FI46. Control Y. Control Y. I'll copy this. Insert. Control V. Control V. Control V. Page down. Control V. Enter. Save. Save. Now, chart of accounts will have different account heads under which you will create GL accounts using these number ranges. This is the purpose of chart of accounts. Chart of accounts is group of accounts. Define retained earnings account. AA42, no. Ours is FI46. Over here, we will give X. An account will be 20,000. Why 20,000? I will show you why. This is used for balance carried forward operations. It says it is not found. So you just press enter because it's just a warning in orange, not an error. Save. Okay, now we've made this. We can use Y and give 30,000. This is true in the case when you are using group chart of accounts. Okay. You can use symbols. That's why symbols are being used here. Now, next is definition, controlling, maintain controlling area. This is costing area, management accounting, maintain controlling area, new entries. Controlling area equals company code, which is FI46. So it copies all the entries. Currency, chart of accounts, fiscal year variant, very important. INT will be your financial statement version. Controlling area, same as company code. Save. Very slow. Let's stop the lecture here.